Today I take you through the process of Disembarkation Day, or as I like to call it, the day the buffet died. I will tell you everything you should know to make this day easier and less stressful. Here on MSC Seashore, I see this every week, and trust me, small things can ruin your day. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do, what to skip, and how to get off the ship without unpleasant surprises. First things first, as much as you love your beds to be nicely made, you will have to leave the cabin before 8 a.m. The housekeeping team needs to prepare the staterooms for the next lucky guests, and they don't have much time for it. MSC Seashore has 2,270 guest cabins, so I can only imagine room steward's anxiety. After you say goodbye to the cabin that's seen your best naps and worst hair days, I recommend to settle your onboard accounts. You can do it in two ways, by going to the guest services desk or by using little kiosks, which are located in a few places around the ship. I would say take care of that the latest night before disembarkation. You will have much less on your mind the next day. MSC Cruises has its own application, where you can find information about the shows, activities, restaurants, etc. But you also can check your account balance and your spendings. If it comes to your suitcases, you can either walk off the ship with your luggage, or you can leave your suitcase outside the stateroom the night before disembarking, and the very next day you're gonna find it at the terminal. You will get luggage tags delivered to your room a night before disembarking with a specific number on it. At the terminal, the very next day, you will be able to easily spot your luggage. On MSC Seashore in Port Canaveral, the gangway located is on deck 6 midship. The line usually is really long, but it goes pretty fast. There is also a kind of a shortcut for people with the yacht club status. From the ship, you will directly walk off to the terminal. Once you're at the terminal and you have your luggage with you, you will proceed straight to the immigration. The immigration is either face-to-face with the officer or through the face scan, which is really quick. After leaving cruise terminal, you have a variety of ways of transportation. You can order a taxi, Uber, Lyft, or you can leave your car at the terminal parking for the duration of your stay on the ship. It's gonna cost you around $20 per day. If you need to get to Orlando Airport, there are buses for around $24 per person. You can also pre-arrange your own transportation with various companies, and they will pick you up just outside of the cruise terminal. I hope these information will help you to better prepare yourself for disembarking process in Port Canaveral. If you want back-to-back guide, comment back-to-back in the comments below. See you in the next video.